Hey guys, welcome to this YouTube video. In this YouTube video, I'll be telling you how to shorten your URL. If you have a very long URL, here is the website to go to, bit.ly.com. In bit.ly.com, you'll be able to shorten your URL for free. It's absolutely free. So what you have to do is go to bit.ly.com. This is the website. This is how it looks like. bit.ly.com. Just scroll down. Then you'll be provided with a box where you can input your link. The link you have to shorten. So just type in the link. This is too long. I don't need this. This is too long. If I'm creating a graphic design material and I have to input this kind of long link, it will be very boring. Nobody will be able to probably go to the link. So now this is the reason why I'm shortening this link. Just click shorten. This is far too short, very short, shorter than what I had before. So all you have to do is copy the link and then paste it where necessary. So guys, thank you for watching this YouTube video. Please do like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much.